Test your knowledge with colors in Arabic. Quiz 1.
Question number 1. Which of these is azraq? Is it blue or is it green? Well done. Azraq means blue. Excellent start. Keep it up. Question number 2. Now, which of these is akhdar? Is it yellow or is it green? Answer 2. Perfect. Yes, akhdar means green. You're doing amazing so far. Question number 3. Which of these is aswad? Is it black or is it white? Fantastic, you got it right. Aswad means black. Keep going strong. All right, which of these is asfar? Is it yellow or is it brown? Yes, that's correct. Asfar means yellow, you're on fire. Question number 5. Which of these is abyad? Is it white or is it black? Awesome. Yes, abyad means white. You're absolutely smashing. Question number 6. Last one. Which of these is bunni? Is it brown or is it blue? Yes, bunni means brown. You've absolutely nailed it today. Fantastic work.
Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep